Welcome back to Dad Deals. Today we'll be talking about pool cleaning robots, and I got to test out WYBOT's brand new C2 Vision cordless robotic pool cleaner. Now the killer feature with this one is that it actually has AI vision technology and a dirt hunting mode. So while it can clean your entire pool, it can also just find the dirt, clean it up really fast, and be done so you can get right to swimming. So if you ever had one of these or owned one of these, you know that feature could save you a ton of time and has really been needed desperately in these robotic pool cleaners. So that's the promise of this thing, but let's actually see how it works in the real world. We'll be testing this in my sister's in-ground pool. It's a pretty large pool, so this is going to be a good test for this unit. But before we begin, let's just take a closer look at the unit itself. So this WYBOT has a really nice compact size to it. I've tested a few of these robotic pool cleaners, and some of them can be really big and bulky and heavy. And I just really like the way they packed everything in this compact package. Right in the front here, you're going to see the camera, and that's how it can use that AI vision to find the dirt. You also have the rubber scrubbers in the front, and then the 2 tire tracks on the side. Your charging port is going to be up top here, and it's actually under a waterproof cover. And when checking out the cleaning basket, this actually has dual filtration on it. So your normal cleaning basket is going to handle the larger particles, but it actually has an ultra fine filter that will make sure it can get the sand, the fine particles that might be in your pool as well. One other nice thing is this does feature a brushless motor, which is just going to make this thing work more efficiently, quieter, and give it more suction power. This features 8 different cleaning modes, and you can do everything in the app, so you can set whatever cleaning mode that you want right before you put this in the pool. But the 8 cleaning modes are going to be that dirt hunting mode on the floor that we talked about earlier. The other modes are Eco Floor, which is just going to try to save some battery life. You also have the standard full pool mode, a floor mode, a wall mode, a waterline mode. That's going to scrub right at the waterline to get those maybe sunscreen oils or just oils off a bunch of people in your pool, which is really important and really one of those places that rarely does get cleaned in your pool. They also have a wall then floor combo mode and also a turbo floor mode, which is going to give you that maximum suction at the bottom of your pool. So you could really customize this thing depending on your circumstances or where you think your pool is dirty, or maybe alternate between the different modes and schedule them on different days. So it's completely customizable, which is really awesome in that app. As far as charging time and runtime go, you have about a 3-hour charging time on this, and that's going to give you about 180-minute runtime. So pretty decent out there. It's pretty normal with all these robots. It's about the same. And the other cool thing about this one is when the battery starts getting low, the robot will actually automatically move to the wall, so you can easily get it out of the water and charge it back up. So if you have a deep pool like this one is, it's not going to really die at the bottom of it and make you go and pull it out really deep. It should come right to the surface, so you can just pick it right up. So let's drop this thing in here and see how it cleans. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt and debris in the bottom of this pool, and the WYBOT went right to it and started cleaning and really just did a great job. And like I was saying before, this thing is just so compact, small, and mighty. I was a little worried when I got out of the package of whether it was going to handle this big, huge pool, but it really had no problem. And I love the small, compact, lightweight size of this unit. Here you can see it doing the wall and doing the water line. Here you can see it in more of a full pool cleaning mode where it's just going to do the entire pool. And it takes about 1 full charge and it can do the entire pool. But here you can just see how spotless this pool is after it's done. So if you're in the market for one of these pool cleaning robots this year, definitely give this one a shot. I hope this video was helpful to you and kind of showed you how this one works. It's a great time to pick one of these up. It's on sale right now for $100 off at $700. Of course, I'll have a link in the description below that you can click on and get that discount. But as always, please like the video if you find it helpful. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.